If you've ever turned left at Oracle and River, you can relate to this.
Thin sheets of glass in the back. I was going slow. I was afraid of the intersection because it's got big cameras posted all over the place.
The light was green, and just as Diane Patterson made her way in,
suddenly it was a yellow arrow, and I thought to myself, yikes, what should I do?
Well, she turned. The light turned red, and those big cameras caught it all on tape. And in a few weeks, she got tagged with an expensive ticket. But as Diane stared at photo evidence of her violation, she noticed a line several feet past the crosswalk. The line, which says wait, determines whether or not you've run a red light. At least that's how it is here in Tucson. Confused and upset, Diane decided to ask the Federal Highway Administration what they thought about those lines.
They emailed me back pretty quickly and said no, transverse white lines would also not be allowed, and they might even present a safety issue because people wouldn't know what they were for.
The letter noted there are no actual rules about such lines because in most states the crosswalk shows the beginning of the intersection. But the agency did say the word marking wait, although technically not disallowed, is of particular concern because it is visible to drivers at all times, even though it does not apply at all times. And the police department agrees.
Nobody really knows what wait means, and we certainly want to, the Tucson Police Department has been trying to obliterate those words wait for quite a while.
As for the lines themselves,
our plans are to keep the lines and actually make them better than they were before.
Diane's waiting to hear from a judge on her red light ticket, but TPD says despite those confusing lines, no one's off the hook. With Balanced News in Tucson, Naomi Peskovitz, News 4.